So hello once again. My name is Joel Bacanar. I'm here to teach you how to use tags and custom field and custom values to segment and store contact information into Spotify. So first, open contacts. So you need to open contacts. Contacts. Ne- next and contact. If you are in the contact, so you open a need to open a client like this one. And in the tag field, label them here. Yeah, if you want to label a follow up, high priority leads, or VIP client. So I choose VIP client. So I put VIP client. We need to go to custom field. So custom field, we need to go to custom field, to custom field. So we are in custom field. So in custom field, we create service, or we need to create a field. So we need to create field. So like wait, we need to put like service for. We need to put service for and pick up subject, contact, save. And if we have the service for outer and outer. mm, we need to go to values. We need to go to custom values. So we go to custom values. So if we in custom values to store reusable information, custom value is to store reusable information like business phone or outer uh, outer name can be across automation. So here my store are the values that stores information there. The only contacts that store is this one. Because this one will be put there.